Hello, welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Howard Koh of Meister, Seelig, and Fine, PLLC. So, Howard, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael, and it's great to be here.
Great. So, Howard, tell us, what is Meister, Seelig, and Fine, and what's your role in the firm?
So, Meister, Seelig and Fine is a general commercial law firm. We represent business and business interest and high net worth individuals. I am a partner. I've been a partner at the firm for almost 25 years now. And I am in the litigation and dispute resolution group.
Okay. So, Howard, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most often require your services?
Well, that's a great question, and the answer is if they're involved in a family business and that's part of a divorce. We've helped out people in those situations before. One of the things that I can do for clients is business divorces, and also when there are real estate interest, they should contact me or my firm because we are well known for resolving real estate disputes, and that's what I do all day.
Got it. So, what are the challenges that you face in your area of work?
That's a great question. The biggest challenges I have is translating the litigation process to my clients. I'm sure you have something like this too, but when clients first present, they often understand that they have a point of view, and I should be able to just pick up the phone, call the judge, explain it to them, and the judge will see it's obvious that they're right.
Yes.
And they may well be right, although there are often some nuances. But that's not the way a court system works. A court system is a process which sometimes is referred to as the wall of molasses. You get in, but you can't get out, unfortunately. And if you're going to be in a process like that, you need to understand that it's going to take time. There are going to be periods where nothing is happening, and then there are periods of intense activity. And I wish I could solve that problem for my clients, but I can't. That's just not the way it works. And that's a big challenge to get clients on board with that.
Definitely. I have the same challenge myself.
Right.
So, Howard, what's the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
Well, that's another good question, and you should email me. You can look me up on the internet, but my email is hsk@msf-law.com, or you can telephone my office at 212-655-3587. That's the way to do it.
All right, perfect. So now, Howard Koh, we've now come to the most important part of our show, and that happens to be the question of the week. So, Howard Koh, this is your question of the week. If you were stuck in 1 year from history for the rest of your life, what year would you choose and why?
Well, that's a really good question, and I'm going to give you an answer that may surprise you. 1977, the year I was bar mitzvahed, but it was also the year that Star Wars came out, that Fleetwood Mac released Rumors,
Ah,
uh, that the Yankees won their World Series in the 70s when Reggie Jackson hit 3 home runs in Game 6.
right?
Meatloaf released Bat Out of Hell that year. Saturday Night Fever came out at the end of the year. That what a time. Studio 54 opened. What a time that would be to be living in New York. And I would say it's a shame I would have to live out my life in that year because the other thing I would do is buy real estate in New York City and watch it appreciate.
That's smart. And that is an amazing answer. I have to say, Howard Koh, you said it all. You are helping families litigate their disputes one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Free.
It was great to be here, Michael. Thank you so much.